Beaver Stew buddies, this is Fedder's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. See, it's all she wants is a scratch. I got half the yard mowed and Sarah yells, "Hey, the washer don't turn on." She had a load of laundry in and the dumb thing locked up, won't turn on. I don't know, so we gotta fix the washing machine because I need clean britches. I get way too dirty around here in this mud pit. What the crap. Nope, that didn't work. Try something else. Pop the top. Pop the top. Okay. Looks like a washing machine to me. I consulted the professionals, the Googles, and this might be the culprit. I don't know what it is, but it might be the problem. So we're gonna take it up to the bench, the healing bench in the workshop, and see what we can come up with. Maybe this will lead us to the answer. I don't know. Probably won't be able to buy it anyhow, even if it is bad. Buy. Don't mind the mess on the healing bench. Everybody needs a little clutter. Let's see here. See what we can do. Okay, now let's test for continuity. I think this is it. Yep. Okay. So I'm guessing. So that goes through. Not sure what it should be. So it's got power to there. Okay. It's got power to there. See, now we don't have power through here. Oh yeah, we do. 120 volts. Well, I guess it's not there. Well, I give up. I don't know who we're gonna call, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know my back from my front on this washing machine, so I quit. I'll call somebody else to fix it, or we'll buy a whole new one. Well, we didn't get very much accomplished today. Tomorrow's another day. We'll have to try then. See you, love you, bye.